Let's continue working on journal, and I'm going to give this a color. Okay, and here it's good. Okay, let's save it, and here I will write date. Suppose 1st July 2015, and here we will write voucher number. I'm going to create a field over here. Insert voucher type. This is voucher type, and this is voucher number, or I'm going to write over here voucher detail, and I'm going to merge this. Yeah, now it's good, I think. Here we go. And here I want to display a drop down list from where we can select voucher type. For this purpose, use follow me and page layout, formulas, data validation. I'm going to write over here data validation list. Here is list. Check the source, and where is the source? Oh, it's not working. It means it is not going to, the command is not working to the next sheet. For this solution, maybe this version of MS Office is not working. You can do it like this. For offer is equals, I'm going to create a list. Link is equals chart of account voucher type, and I'm going to write this list. Okay, go here and freeze this. Press F4, enter, and then select it. Open by F2 and select it. Cut it over here. Cut. Okay. Now go to here, voucher, again data validation list. The link I was copied, pasted over here. That is copied. Okay, here our list is created. Voucher short name, payment voucher, general voucher, CV, JV, you can select over here, and Here we will write voucher number, suppose 1. You can write voucher number over here. I'm going to centralize this. Okay, yeah. Here I'm going to deploy a list for accounts, for selection of accounts. You can repeat the steps as equal. Go to chart of account. What account I have needed? I have needed this list of accounts. F4 for fix. Okay. Now select this, Control X for cut, and keep the cursor over here and go to data validation, list, paste the link over here. Here we go. You can select your account over here, account payable, discount, capital. Okay, and here is narration, and here we will write amount like so. I'm going to format it, comma separate. What is the font style? My favorite font style is Times New Roman, italic, and here we go. Just delete this, okay, and select this, copy the format, Control D. Yes, here you can see the format is copied. You can select voucher number here, voucher type, and anywhere, and sales over here, anywhere you can use. If you will use such account which is not listed in your chart of account, it will not accept it. So let's try. Here is a garbage account name. It should. The value you entered is not valid because this is not in chart of account, so it is not accepted. That's a great way to validate your account. So let's stop it over here, and we will continue this general and next lesson.